Hello class, welcome to our YouTube channel Education Wire. Today we will discuss Botany paper 2nd BSc final year 6th semester syllabus. You can see the syllabus. Our course title is Ecology and Environment. Okay. In this unit we study unit 2nd soil formation, properties and conservation. So let's start this unit with proper note. Unit 2nd soil formation, properties and conservation. In our mind, we think what is soil? Okay, the soil has been derived from the Latin word solum, which means floor or ground. According to Joffe, the soil is natural body of minerals and organic components differentiated in the different horizons. The soil study is the soil science is studied in the two ways, edaphology and pedology. We discuss one by one what is edaphology. The soil science in which soil is studied is relations to higher plants is called edaphology. Next one is pedology. Pedology is very helpful in the study of soil physiology and anatomy, properties, classification of soil and soil formation factors. This all about soil science studies. Next one is soil profile. If soil is cut perpendicular, if soil is cut perpendicular parallel to the soil surface and a deep pit is made, a perpendicular structure is formed which is known as soil profile. Okay. Now the deep study of the above structure shows that number of layer of the different type structure color with different thickness are present in the profile which is known as what? Soil horizons. Okay. All horizons present in soil which parent material present below is known as soil profiling and every layer is known as horizons. Okay. Next, generally three horizons are found in the soil: A horizon, B horizon, and the C horizon. You see this chart: A double zero or O double zero, A zero or O zero, P1, P2, A1, A2, A3, E, B1, B2, B3, C or D, and R bedrocks. Okay. Our next one is most important thing is note that A horizon, B horizon, and C horizon is known as regolene. Okay, regolene, and A horizon plus B horizon is called solum. Okay, solum. Next, we discuss all the horizons: A horizons, B horizons, and the C horizons. A horizon is the uppermost layer of the earth. What? It is the uppermost layer of the earth. At very high slope, when soil erosion is high, its part is absent. Okay. This part is generally 1 to 80 centimeter deep. This horizon is again divided into A triple zero, A double zero, A0, A1, A2, and A3. Note that A horizon is suitable for agriculture because maximum amount of nutrients are present. So this A horizon is very important for our agriculture because maximum amount of nutrients are present in the A horizon. Okay. Next one is B horizon. Below A horizon, B horizon is present. The B horizon contain minerals, salt, organic matters. Okay. B horizon is known as subsoil. Okay. And the B horizon is divided into B1, B2, and B3. Next one is C horizon, also known as parent material. It is present above the bedrock and the below the B horizon. Physical, chemical, and the biological properties of C horizon may not coincide with the properties of soil. So these all are the three types of horizons: A horizon, B horizon, and the C horizon. Okay, thank you.